Tony Yengeni joins Umkhonto weSizwe Party, as has been announced by the Umkhonto weSizwe Party's President Jacob Zuma, in a press briefing today. And he has already been given the responsibility as the second deputy president of the Umkhonto weSizwe Party. You know that the deputy president of Umkhonto weSizwe Party, it is Dr. John Hlophe, Judge John Hlophe. Mandlakaisa, right? Yes. So now Tony Yengeni has been given the responsibility to be the Umkhonto weSizwe Party's second deputy president. Also, you guys would know that in the Umkhonto weSizwe Party, there are no conferences, meaning the leadership, when it comes to Umkhonto weSizwe Party, the leadership, it is not elected. Leaders are not elected in the Umkhonto weSizwe Party.